Menteri Rangba Bamenta ka Jala Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma ula ther ting yo Menteri Rangba barim Dr Mukul Sangma namar ka jingbam simrai halor ka kam yakan at khappud bat ka Jala Assam. Hapa jubab hakamat yatai hakasi basaw ka dorbar mangtingka ka ying dorbar trawain ka Jala haka khandai terik luber arajar arpuar halor ka jingkran ulat ka Jala Conrad ong ba Menteri Rangba barim prasnam ula susakut halor ka nikamat kamdon kanu kalat kalenti banweng ya ka jinge haka waipat kaliang ong ba sarkar Jala kla kren sek sarkar India bakan no pediang ya kentin unrepresented tribe haka jingterwa pynbeit ya ka khernet ban riu karti sencar kari India. Halo ka jinge kinoi kai uloong habakut unius na mangtingka kinoi kai SSE kinyo katto katni ka jingsiu.
To their positions. Sticking to a position is a disaster for negotiation. If you want to find a solution, think of what is your interest. What is it that means to you more? And then come to the discussion table. Not with the point of position. Some people have mentioned very dramatic statements in the past. I don't want to repeat them. But those are not the kind of languages or positions that we go with when we discuss on very critical matters like these. What is important is that can there be a solution that will be able to fulfill the interests of all the stakeholders who are there? That is the way we move forward when we discuss and have dialogue, sir. The interest should not be compromised. Positions can be changed, but the interest should not be compromised. And that's the key to finding solutions, and that is the way we have moved forward in the border issue, sir. We are, as I said, I'm repeating, sir, we are very hopeful that in the next coming days, we should be able to find and we should be able to come to a final conclusion. And as I said, there is a whole motion on this. I will speak about this more tomorrow, sir. At the same time, so there is a small discussion that took place on the 6th schedule. And so I would like to, though it was not part of the governor's address, but I thought that this is maybe the right forum to mention this. And in that also, we had some of the leaders specifically mentioning about the fact that we will not accept the village councils. And this cannot be forced on us. Our clan will never accept it. So let me just explain the two aspects to this entire discussion that's taking place, apart from the many other discussions which hopefully have been resolved. There was an issue about the unrepresentative tribes. So we have made it very clear to Government of India that we will not accept this, and it has been given in writing. Now obviously, sir, we don't know what's going to be in the final draft of the bill, but we will continue to press with Government of India that the word unrepresentative tribe should not be there. So I don't know why the honorable member continues to stress on that one word. Maybe he thinks that if he keeps saying white is black, 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 we'll start believing that white is black. But that's not the way things go. We have to realize and see the fact of the situation. And the fact is that we have made our position clear. We have told Government of India that we will not accept the word unrepresentative tribes.